Okay, well today is departure day. This is one of those camps where it's hard to leave, but I've been here for over a week. Got the campsite all tidied up. Looking good for the next campers. I hope they enjoy it as much as I did. Bye, Creek. Been nice hanging out with you. Until next time. Okay, it is time to move on from this camp. Again, this is one of those spots that's kind of hard to leave, but pretty sure we're going to find another beautiful camp here by the end of the day. You have a little bit of a drive ahead of me. I'm going to head to a different mountain range, but this has been awesome here. So we're going to head towards the highway. All right, we have made it to the highway. It is time to ramble on. Away we go. Well, I made my way out of the last mountain range and have been going through a stretch of pretty flat plains, a little bit of rolling hills. Now I'm seeing the next mountain range off in the distance I'm heading towards. I'll start making my way that direction. It is hot out here. It's in the mid-80s in these lower elevations. I'm gonna head up into the hills. Okay, we are cruising right along. This is Highway 2 at East Glacier Park, small town here. Starting to get a little bit of the Rocky Mountain Range into sight, as well as the surrounding Lewis Mountain Range that's a part of the Rocky Mountain Range. This is all kind of entrance to Glacier National Park. So it's starting to get kind of touristy here. Although gas is $3.29, I've saw it higher in Great Falls as I passed through. So not horrible. Now, I am not going to do Glacier National Park as of yet. I've done it before a couple times in the past years. I'm sure I will visit the park, but I am going to go find a secluded camp off in the mountains on a lake. There's our bear crossing sign there. So we're gonna go camp out in bear country, see if we can keep cool. Got a little bit of a heat wave here the next few days. As we continue on Highway 2. Used Interstate 15 and 89, Highway 89 to get up here to Highway 2. So we're gonna keep cruising. Weather is nice, it is warm. I've got these beautiful clouds. Well, it is just a short walk down to the water's edge here. Nice trail from the campsite. I'm gonna go ahead and stay where I'm at. This is pretty sweet. Can bring the paddleboard down that trail, no problem. Oh yes, You can feel it's cooler by the water. So awesome. Yeah, I walked around the campground. There was just one site available and I grabbed it. Ooh, that water is crystal clear. Nice. Let's see how it feels. Ooh, not that cold actually. That'll be refreshing. Okay, I'm happy. I got water. I got a campsite and I got water right by it. So this will work for the week. I'll stay here through the weekend. Okay, so here's how lunch is going down. Got a nice can of Polar smoked sardines. These are good ones here. They're really low in sodium for canned sardines. They're actually smoked. It's my favorite sardine out of all the brands I've tried. So I'm doing a little bit of cream cheese, green onion, some sardine on there, and then top it off with a little bit of chili crisp. And then there it is. Dang, that's good. Wow, this is it right here. I'm having a tough time doing anything but just hanging out in the water. This has been so perfect for just swimming, soaking. Got my beachfront spot here behind me. A little shady spot in the trees with my chair, paddleboard when I feel like taking it out. This has just been a dream camp. Absolutely loving it here. So here we are. This is the spot. Check it out. The water's so clear and blue. So this is pretty much like my own little beach here. The short trail to my campsite. Seems like each of the campsites kind of has their own little beachfront. Got the paddleboard inflated, been out boarding, swimming, cooling off in the water. It's the place to be. You can see there's like a rock fire ring underwater. Obviously the reservoir was lower at one point. Got one here now. You can see it in there, standing on it when I was in the water. Deer just scared the crap out of me. Walked right up to the table here where I'm cooking. Like right here. Smells of cabbage. God, it's gonna come right to the table, guys. People must feed deer here. No. What do I do? Wow. You got plenty of food. This is wild. Turn my stove off here. Pause for the cause. Boy, I've been having quite the deer encounters lately. You gonna come back? Okay, see ya. That was fun. Well, this morning we're having some breakfast, fried rice, some leftovers. Threw in some fresh cabbage, scrambled egg. Never had deer creep up on me like these before. I'll just like look behind me and there's just deer staring at me. Yeah, you really know how to freak a guy out. What are you eating? Huh? Just be coming up on me. Eating those huckleberries. Eating all those huckleberries, huh? Okay, tonight it is grilled teriyaki chicken sandwich with Swiss. Got sourdough nice and toasted, some grilled onions. Make a sandwich out of one of those. Those are gonna get set aside. Okay, so there it is, the grilled chicken sandwich with Swiss, grilled onions, a little bit of cabbage on the bottom piece there as well as the top. Smash that down a little. I think I'm gonna cut it in half as well. Okay, there it is, time to dig in. Oh, it is so calm out here this evening. Well, that was the nicest, calmest evening out on the water here since I've been here. Just no wind, so calm, And then finished it off with a swim. Water is very comfortable, just cool enough to cool you off. So nice.